Hi, Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville and Jacksonville Beach, and we're standing on our brand new Sea Ray 230 SPX. This particular SPX is decked out in the Select package. I'm going to show you a couple cool features about this boat that make it better than the rest. As you see here at the helm station, wood grain steering wheel, vinyl wrap dash, access to all your gauges along with a depth sounder, along with your Rockford Fosgate head unit. Bluetooth stereo on this boat, easy to hook up your phone, great options on this boat. Premium audio package, so when you go out with your friends, hook up your phone, play tons of music from Spotify or Pandora, and entertain everybody. And when you're entertaining a lot of people, somebody's gonna have to go to the bathroom. You've got a great head for use here on the port side. And speaking of entertaining people, as you can see, if you look around this boat, you have a tremendous amount of seating. Port side lounger seat here, port side captain's chair in front of that, starboard side loungers with storage underneath, cooler storage in the rear. And that's one big feature on a lot of sport boats. And I say a lot of sport boats, most of them don't have enough storage. You go out with a bunch of your friends and you need places to put everybody's items, you've got a tremendous amount of storage with this SPX outboard. You've also got storage in there for both your tables. So you've got a table up front and in the back, allowing you to sit down, enjoy a cocktail, adult beverage, drink, and whatnot. Moving forward, you can see you've got huge loungers here. Bolstering all the way around, ready for a day out on the sandbar, cruising the intercoastal, and enjoying time with friends and family. Come down to MarineMax Jacksonville and Jacksonville Beach and ask for me, Zach Petros, and take a look at this brand new Sea Ray 230 SPX.